Formal dining room. The dining room you are standing in was an addition to the home in the late 1800s and considered one of the most formal dining rooms in Wilmington at the time. The large sideboard came from the Faley House, a popular hotel in New Vienna during the late 1800s and early 1900s. Matching table, chairs, and sideboards are Empire style, circa 1850. Many fine pieces of crystal, glassware, and china are on display. The fish pattern china is Limoges and would have been used to serve a fish course during Victorian times. Through research, we know the Rombach Denver families originally had a summer kitchen, which would have been located outside in the side yard. A summer kitchen's main purpose was to keep the house cool during the hot summer months. They were used for cooking, bathing, and laundry. With the house being a wooden structure, it was also common to use the outdoor kitchen as a way to prevent house fires or damage to the home due to the dangers of cooking on an open flame.